Hi, welcome to a Math Warehouse video on SAT prep involving the equation of a circle. Here's another question modeled directly off of a college board question. Numbers changed as always. So here's the question. What is the diameter of a circle in the xy plane with equation x minus 2 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals 25? So before we answer this question, take a few moments to talk about you need to become intimately familiar with and understand how to use this equation. Here's the general form: x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared when the center is hk and the radius is r. So if the center is 4, 3, you write x minus 4 squared, y minus 3 squared equals 5 squared. And they ask all sorts of things involving the radius, the diameter, how can you move this circle around, points on the circle. You see equals 5 squared on the right, that means that the radius is 5. If you see equals 25 on the right, that means that the radius is also 5. So let's take a look at this for a second before we flip back. As you can see, the radius in this picture is 5. The question we're going to look at has a diameter that we have to find. So let's just look. If the radius is 5, the diameter is going to be 10, or twice the radius. So from this equation, we can get the radius, and once we have the radius, we can always multiply that by 2 to get the diameter. And that's exactly what we're going to do in this equation here. Now, they don't write it as 5 squared in the SAT question, they write 25, but we know that that equals the radius squared. So 25 is the radius squared. To get the radius, we're going to take the square root of 25 and get 5, and that's going to be the radius. So to get the diameter, we multiply it by 2 and get 10. Okay, let's practice one more. Again, just change the numbers a bit from this same type of question. What's the diameter of the circle in the xy plane with equation x plus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 36? To find out about the diameter, of course, we're only interested in the right side, which is the radius squared. 36 is the radius squared. So to find the radius, we take the square root of both sides, and the radius is going to be 6, which is the square root of 36. And of course, the diameter is going to be 2 times that amount, or 12. Okay, so that's a close look at 2 examples of the kind of question that the College Board asks, where you have to find the diameter from the HK form of the circle. All right, good luck.